Using a Mac and wondering how to get started with Adobe Acrobat Reader. In this tutorial, I'll show you the essentials, from opening PDF files to using the most helpful tools for reading, commenting, signing, and sharing documents. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader from the application's folder, Launchpad, Spotlight Search, or your dock if you've added it there. Once the app opens, you'll arrive at the home screen. Click Open File, browse to the PDF you want to view, and select it. You can also open a PDF directly from Finder if Adobe Acrobat Reader is set as your default PDF application. Use your mouse, trackpad, or magic mouse to scroll through the document. You can zoom in or out using the toolbar or familiar macOS gestures, making it easier to read detailed text and graphics. Adobe Acrobat Reader lets you search for text, print documents, highlight important sections, add comments, fill out interactive forms, and sign PDFs, depending on the document's permissions. After making any changes, click Save to update the document. You can also use the Share option to send the file through email or create a sharing link if that feature is available in your version. Take some time to explore the menus and toolbar. You'll find useful features like Read Aloud, page rotation, document properties, and accessibility options that can improve your overall PDF experience. And that's how to use Adobe Acrobat Reader on a Mac. Once you're comfortable with the interface, you'll be able to manage PDF files quickly and efficiently for work, school, or personal use. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.